Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to insert PineScript to TradingView. Guys, this is actually pretty simple to navigate to that little menu. So guys, whether you're using the browser website, right, to use TradingView or the application, I'm using the application, it's actually the same, completely the same. So guys, in order to do this, you just need to make sure to firstly open up a chart. So just choose, for example, something that you wish, anything you wish, and open up a chart. And then guys, as you can see, where we have the trading panel and where we can connect through the brokers, we also have a Pine editor on the left. So choose that. And as you can see guys, now we can edit our PineScript. So now you can just type something in, as you can see, type in your commands, and after that just publish indicator, for example, if you want to share with the community. And also we have the editor settings if you're more in depth and you're a developer, for example, or something. And this is basically the menu and how to bring it up. So hopefully this helps you out guys, very simple. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.